Guys, I'm working on this laptop. This is the gentleman. He's from UK, and looks like he had the European models are designed a little bit differently. This one is ElliteBook 840 G1 model. So I had to order the power jack, and this one, actually I didn't have a laptop with me, and I went ahead and ordered the power jack, but this is completely different one than one it came out of the laptop, which are these. So this is not the the with a wire. This one is soldered on the motherboard. So as you can see, this one has about 9 legs, and that needed to be desoldered very carefully, and that's what I did. I removed it, so this power jack not gonna work on it. I have to reorder the right power jack for this model. So it is really hard to replace. You have to take the plastic covers off, but the bad part is you can remove partially the motherboard, but you cannot remove the motherboard because the ribbon cables are underneath. You cannot remove the keyboard. So this is just a one-time deal shot. This one has the plastic, I don't know what is the name of this. If you want to remove the motherboard, then you have to disassemble the keyboard, which doesn't have any screws, so you have to cut it, and that's it. This is designed very badly. I thought that was designed very well, so I could separate the keyboard and motherboard, but it's not the way. You cannot do that. So I'm very careful now. Just lifted up the motherboard a little bit, just enough to slide the power jack there, and then use the solder and apply the solder. I made a little mess. I have not cleaned it yet, but I'm gonna be waiting for the power jack first, and that before I solder, I solder and then I will clean the surrounding areas, as you can see it. So this is I'm hoping this one will work. It should not be the hard task, but it is hard enough for. Yeah, here is another problem. You see the mounting bolts in here is bad. So yeah, that's I don't know, it's not gonna work, but it will be just enough to close it, and I'm gonna tell my customer to be careful with the closing and opening the lid, because if this one breaks, that's it, it's forget about it. So this laptop is obsolete. Okay, that's what I was gonna show you guys. Thank you for watching. Any suggestions, please leave the comment, and signing out.